so many scholars have also tried to historically place, because Yoga Sutra is a treatise, it should have been composed by a personality. So Patanjali is also seen as is an author, or who has composed this Yoga Sutra. So though in tradition he is seen as a divine incarnation, so as a composer. So when did this text manifest, or when did this text appear? So going by so many linguistic discussions, etc., as so many texts are attributed to sage Patanjali, a range of period is assigned to the sage Patanjali, who has given us the treatises on grammar, yoga, and also Ayurveda. So his period is stated to lie somewhere between 150 before the Common Era till 400 CE, not later than the 4th century in the Common Era. So according to various researchers, the entire this span of duration, so one date or 1 year is very difficult to be fixed, as the details are lacking, as the archaeological historical evidence are not very clearly available. Going by the linguistic evidences, literary evidences, this date has been, or this range of period has been proposed for the life of sage Patanjali. And then it is to be noted that sage Patanjali, he composed the Yoga Sutras, which are the fundamental and foundational treatise, which is the fundamental and foundational treatise in Yoga Sutra. But yoga, the wisdom of yoga as such, does not begin with sage Patanjali. So he is the one who is said to have organized the knowledge on yoga, organized the knowledge of yoga, and because the knowledge of yoga pre-existed. So in the words of sage Patanjali himself, we can see that this knowledge of yoga, it is Anushasana. The very first sutra, he says, Atha Yoga Anushasanam, Yoga Anushasanam, where he says that I have compiled or brought together all the pre-existing wisdom and then present it as one body of knowledge. So that is Yoga Anushasanam, one body of knowledge on yoga. So by the words of sage Patanjali himself, we can understand that he is not the originator of the school of yoga. Thoughts existed, elaborations and details, inputs and wisdom existed prior to sage Patanjali. He is he is the one who systematized by organizing the knowledge therein into a body of literature called as Yoga Sutra. So thus we see that sage Patanjali, as per his own words in Yoga Sutra, that he has organized the pre-existing knowledge on yoga. So the roots of yoga lies in the Vedas, in the Upanishads. So where there is this spontaneous expression about these lofty ideas that makes our life better and leads it to its highest purpose. It's already expressed in the Vedas. And then Patanjali, in the form of Yoga Sutra, he has organized, systematized through the Vedic and also various sages. They have existed prior to Patanjali, who has expressed the knowledge of yoga. And so he has studied all those traditions and then compiled and organized the wisdom therein. So in a sense, to see a body of systematic knowledge on yoga, one has to start from the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Though prior existing knowledge, be it in the form of the Mahabharata or in the Vedas and the Upanishads, we may have, or also in the form of the Sankhya literature, we may have the wisdom. But in the context of yoga, the first systematic literature that we find is the Yoga Sutras written by sage Patanjali, and hence rightfully we can call sage Patanjali as the father of yoga.